video and comment, like, share. Anong pangalan mo? I am Naomi. Naomi as in Naomi Singles Vlog. Kapareho sa. And my TikTok also is Naomi Hamarolin. So, and my Facebook, Naomi Hamar is in Naomi Jamarolin. And see, how are you? I'm fine, Dudong. Then, and it's say bye-bye, guys. Because I have something to do. I'll see you on my Umayaw mo bang mag-asawa? Depende kasi yung sa lalaki. Kung lasinggero, parang ayun. Buti kung maalaga siya. O, diba? Pag problema, wag na. Kasi ano eh, pati gusto ko yung lalaking stable. Yung mga kaboy sa amin, dalawang anak ko. I-treat yung anak ko na, yung bata niyo po, anong pangalan? He is Mac Braden Jan. Then, Mac Braden Jan, his family came from Hamarolin because we're not married with his father. Turn around, show that. Oh, what's Service Lilo? What's that? This line. Okay. How do I look at my hair? My long brown hair. Saan ako? Ano? Ako na lang namang papa. Oo, kasi yung papa niya hindi naman yun responsible yun. Ang inuuna yun is, nag-billiard yun. Hindi yung priority yung family niya. Siguro, bilang niya kami lang. That's why we are not priority. Please little bit. Ha? Mahulog ako hulog. Bot. Okay. Yung kapatid ko po ay dyan. Sino dyan isa?
Masa lagi? Abala ka.
Oh.
Saan eh?
Ano ka balo? We're talking Bisaya.
Masa dali oh.
Basta.
Truck man na sa robot.
Hili, uy. Kung man na siya, kanang
Bumblebee?
temple.
Bumblebee, manggod.
Ano kung don't shout. Don't shout me, Mama. We'll wait for 50 minutes. And then I'm gonna end my live. Ma'am, ako na lang mahala ko, babe. Rocky Alba. Taga saan ka? Hindi ko alam kasi ako minsan pihikan ako sa mga guy. Kaya napupunta ako sa mga maling tao. Tapos yung kapatid ko po sa Supi. Hindi ko alam yun. Uy, bakit? Ano ba yun? Si Isaac, si Jacob, sino pa yung kapatid mo? Yung hi, Johnny Horta. Johnny Horta, please come again to my join membership. Last time you joined my membership, Johnny Horta. Thank you for coming. Good morning, good morning. Twerking. I don't know how twerking. Jen Corda, shout out. Can you join, please? Taga Manila po. Ma'am, taga Manila. Taga Manila. Malayo. Nasa Mindanao ako. I really like my necklace. This my necklace is hard one. Which is pair of this heart. Also earrings. And this is made of Chinese gold. I really like it. Yeah. Tap your house, please. Tour? No. All it is because I claim my room is messy. It's so messy. Well, I turn around there. Not yet to repair my roof. This damage. And then my dining there, my table, this sit here when you sit, and then what's that missing